These are chopped sweet potatoes. This is bourbon maple hops. We're making another side dish that doesn't suck. And we're gonna shake our dudes right on top of it. This is a 7-inch bunka. Oh, I needed that. Welcome back to Dudes Gourmet, guys, and on this channel, we make food that's easy and delicious. Today, we're making another side dish that's gonna be super easy. Ready? Here's our chopped sweet potatoes. Here's our olive oil. Squirt. Here's our bourbon maple hop seasoning. We're gonna mix them together like this. My oven is preset on 425. Baking sheet with tin foil. Spread those bad boys out, put them in the oven. Probably gonna take around 35 minutes. All right, dudes, it's exactly 30 minutes later. These potatoes look sick. I'm gonna get them on a plate. We got some fresh parsley to sprinkle on top. Stuck to the bottom. You guys are always gonna finish some starch with some Murray River sea salt. Check that out, guys. Look how good those potatoes look. Go to dudesgourmet.com and buy some seasonings. Come on, guys. You see how easy that is? A little bit of bourbon maple hops, chopped sweet potatoes, olive oil, mix it up, oven, plate, deliciousness. Come on, it's a no-brainer. Go buy some.